Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here, Skyway Classics. My name is Ryan. We have Nyla again.
Hey guys.
Behind our camera. And today we're looking at this 94 Silverado. It's the side step. And you can see it's got some aftermarket headlights. But this thing runs pretty
I love this truck.
strong. It's clean. The paint's in good condition. It doesn't have any like glaring body issues. The wide body's on it. It looks great. You're not getting crazy differing panel gaps, just a couple millimeters. But she's nice. Clean bed. Our rails are sturdy. They're not pitted or anything like that, so it's in quite good condition. Although we also have the interior. We have it's navy blue with some houndstoothing. We got the country coaches, which I thought was funny.
And super clean.
Yeah, it's a nice truck. And she drives nice. I drove her just today as we obviously moved her.
Some
I was
wood grain insets. This comes up. I just can't do it with one hand. But really, really nice in here.
So yeah, look at this. You got like you can still see.
Yep.
Just clean.
Cool.
So let's go take her for a spin though, see how she runs.
Alrighty.
Crank her up here real quick, and I do want to show you some of our gauges here. So we have working gauges. Obviously I don't have a tape to test out the tape player, but AC blows and blows cold as well.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's a really interesting truck. I mean, I love like this, the wood grain, and it's a cool truck.
It's really nice.
Well, let's take it for a spin. It's also got those dual exhausts, man. Shifting really smooth.
Sounds
first
really
and second.
nice. Yeah.
Also second and third. I mean, just we got in the fourth gear there, nice and easy. She's braking, she's not pulling. Just a clean truck. Power steering feels really smooth too. I mean, it's a really nice truck. I'm shocked. I'm shocked by the condition. These things are cool. But anyway, I'm gonna make a U-turn here. We'll head back to the shop. I don't think we're putting this one on the lift, so we will see you guys in the next video. I appreciate you looking. Oh, you know what? I did find something. Just looking at the gauge here, I didn't notice the sun was on it. The parking brake is on, but I can confirm that brake is not on at all. So that's really the only nitpick that I have on this thing. I mean, everything works and it's in great condition.
Awesome.
Yeah. We'll see you next time, guys.
Thanks for tuning in.